How to reset suggested content on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily reset your Explore page on Instagram. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, open up Instagram application. And then from here, you want to find your Explore page at the bottom right beside home screen. And as you can see, you Explore and will recommend depending on what you've liked previously. From this Explore page, to reset it, head over to your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then from there, make sure that you tap on the three lines at the top right. Scroll down until you find an option for content preferences under what you see. Tap there. Then all you have to do is tap on reset suggested content. So what it's going to do is you'll see suggested content about the topics that may be different from what you usually see. And you have to note that the resets can't be undone. But what it does is it will allow you to customize your feed to your liking once again. It will take a while to build up your feed, but you just basically tap on next and select all of the accounts and then tap on reset suggested contents and your explore page will now be reset. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.